You ready to go outside? Are you ready? All right, go. Go. Go.
Hi Mom, I've been staring at you for hours. Thank goodness you're finally awake. I hope you don't notice that I just shit all in the kitchen, but if you do, just know I'm still a good girl and will give you lots of licks and kisses. Now will you get up and throw the damn toy because I've been wanting to play since 3 a.m. Thank you.
Later outside. Yes. Love you. Hi. Love you. Hi. You looking for more outside?
If you have a dog, turn your volume up to see what their reaction will be for the following sounds. Or don't, I can't really tell you what to do.
If you can't walk up to your dog and take it while they're chewing on it, if you can't touch it, you don't know how to raise a dog.
Hey, dude, did I wake you up from a nap, man? Hey, sit. Sit. Oh my God.
Can I help you? It's just my straightener. I can't even straighten my hair now without you freaking out. Tucker, all it does is straighten Mommy's hair. Look. Okay, fine, I'll back up. I promise it's not gonna hurt you. What? Look, watch. Why do you react like this to everything that's snappy? Where you going? Can you do it? Go. Wait. Come on. Who's here? Come by this way. Hi. Hello. We have company. You can do it. Oh, don't cry. You can do it, buddy. Jump. Jump. Come on. Jump. Oh. Daddy's not gonna help you. Come on. Come on, sweetie. Come on, jump. What? What? Buddy, it's okay. It's okay. You can do it. So watch.
What are you doing? Oh my God, Lewis!
Oh my goodness. Yeah. I wonder what is going on.
Hi.
At least there's one in there.
Yeah, watch yourself jump in.
I'm more worried about you guys right now than anybody.
Yeah, that's
Elbo's so excited.
one sec. Let me get her out, okay? Oh, yes.
Be very gentle.
Não vai não.
Llama, 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 llama.
Zip? Who's your best friend? Is it Zavala? Who's your best friend?
Good morning, Bernie. Good morning, Madeline. Good morning, Golden. Good morning, Effie. Good morning, Luna.
You ready to go outside? Are you ready? All right, go. Go.